and sometimes those mess-ups can be pretty big. Remember when that self-driving car had a little mishap? Yeah, that happened. AI is only as good as the data it's trained on. If the data is biased, incomplete, or just plain wrong, the AI's output is going to reflect that. That's why it's crucial to have human oversight in AI development. AI is a powerful tool, but it needs a skilled operator to wield it effectively.
Alright, let's talk about this whole AI learning on its own thing. You might have heard that AI can just teach itself anything, like some kind of super-powered brain in a jar. While that makes for a cool sci-fi movie plot, it's not exactly how it works in the real world. Sure, AI can learn and adapt, but it needs a teacher, a guide, a mentor. You get the idea. That's where data scientists and AI engineers come in. These are the folks who feed the AI the right kind of data, tweak the algorithms, and basically show the AI the ropes. It's a collaborative process, not some hands-off, let the AI figure it out situation. AI needs that same kind of guidance.
All right, let's bust one last myth. The idea that AI is only for the big dogs, the Googles and Amazons of the world. Here's the truth. AI is becoming more accessible and affordable for businesses of all sizes, even small mom-and-pop shops. Think about it. There are tons of AI-powered tools out there that can help small businesses automate tasks, analyze customer data, and even personalize marketing campaigns. We're talking about things like chatbots that can handle customer service inquiries, software that can optimize pricing strategies, and tools that can even predict which products will be best sellers. And the best part? A lot of these tools are available on a subscription basis, so you don't need a massive budget to get started. Using AI can actually save small businesses money in the long run by automating tasks and making operations more efficient.
Thanks for watching. Hopefully we've cleared up some of the confusion surrounding AI and shown you that it's not the scary, job-stealing, world-dominating force that some people make it out to be. AI is a tool, a powerful one, but a tool nonetheless. And like any tool, it can be used for good or for evil. It's up to us humans to guide its development, ensure it's used ethically, and harness its potential to make the world a better place. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more myth-busting content. See you next time.